Hi guys, in this video I'll walk you through the steps to create a WhatsApp business account. First off, you need to open Play Store or App Store and install the WhatsApp business application. Once installed, open the app, agree to the terms and conditions, allow notifications, and enter your phone number. Don't forget about the country code. Keep in mind that there is no way to register WhatsApp business account without phone number. Now tap on Next. If you register your phone number for the first time on WhatsApp, you will have to confirm the number via SMS or call from WhatsApp. But my number is not new for WhatsApp, so it's already verified. I just have to tap on Continue. And now allow access to contacts and media. Allow everything. It's looking for backups because I just deleted my WhatsApp to show you how it works. Now it found my backup. I used an encryption key. My backup is protected with an encryption key, so let me enter my key first. Now I entered my encryption key, restore is complete, and I can tap on Next. Now create your business profile name. Tap on Next, select your business category, let's say education or whatever. You can choose 2 categories, as you can see. You can tap here to see more categories. Add your business hours, that may be always open to people. Tap on Next. This is my profile photo. You can set yours, of course, or use mine. More ways to find you, address or region. Enter your website if you have one, or you can skip this step. Describe your business. Tap on Next. Create a passkey to sign in to WhatsApp business. So you can enter password, use fingerprint, or Face ID. Now it's initializing. And here is your brand new WhatsApp business account. The difference between normal WhatsApp and WhatsApp business is WhatsApp Toolbox. Create a catalog. Not now. You can create your goods catalog. So Toolbox. This tab Tools takes you to the Toolbox. So you have Meta verified icon, catalog, advertise options. You can label your chats and messages. You can use greeting and away message, quick replies, save replies you frequently use to have a quick access to them, and manage your account and so on. So explore the tools and good luck in your business. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and be awesome. Bye guys.